Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics with a special and very limited opportunity. You're going to want to listen up because this is going to go very quickly. This is called the Let Freedom Ring. It's a row of the month quilt where we're going to be focusing on one row at a time. Obviously very Americana, perfect for our celebration, especially next year in 2026 as we celebrate 250 years as a nation. Amazing. So we actually ran this a few years ago. Now, instead of offering this as a full kit, we know that makers really appreciated just getting a portion of that quilt each month, and in this case, a row. And it's really fun to be able to just really dial into what that row has to offer. You know, in this one, we're making flags and pinwheels. Here we're making flying geese, and so on and so forth. So very limited space in this program, and we have just a small amount of coordinating backings. These are Moda Fabrics. We've already filmed the tutorials on this. This is so cool that you can even go watch those videos right now to say, can I do this? And the answer is yes. We talk you through the process of how to use all of these notions to really be able to dial in the precision of this all-pieced quilt. So we know that these types of quilts that are row of the month are actually kind of rare. We're used to blocks of the month, right? Where we're getting one block, but it's kind of cool to do a whole row. So lots of notions on the table. Let me just call your attention to the ones that we know are the really big difference makers or specialty tools. And that would certainly be our ultimate flying geese. Definitely what we used here for this entire row. Of course, we have all of our creative grids. We have some square up tools as well. We also have here our 1/4 inch marker to be making half square triangles. And of course, the normal things, right? Good pins, good thread, a fresh blade, and a rotary cutter. And my favorite is a seam guide helping me really dial in the 1/4 inch seam allowance. This program is extremely limited. So if you love making Americana quilts, head to the website right now to grab your spot, your backing, and any notions you might need.